Hello, last time we studied how to deal with a tolling company. Today we are going to learn how to record work, production without order, and claims. Let's assume that our company performs hoverboard warranty maintenance. When a customer contacts us, it may be either a warranty or a non-warranty event. An employee of maintenance department determines which case takes place. Let's assume we receive a claim from a customer that their backlight flashes all the time. We inspected the hoverboard and found that this failure is not a warranty case. We explained to the customer that the fault is because of contact with water, so it's not covered by warranty. We offered to fix it for a fee. The customer agreed. Now we are going to record this event in one ERP. Let's start by going to Master Data and Settings, Master Data, Enterprise Structure, and creating a department named Service Maintenance Department. Open this department, select the checkbox Manufactures Products without production orders, and make sure all other settings are identical to Workshop 1. Now we are going to enable claim processing. Go to Master Data and Settings, Master Data and Sections, CRM and Marketing, CRM Settings, and make sure that the Record Customer Claims checkbox is selected. Great! Claim processing is now enabled. Next, go to CRM and Marketing, CRM, Customer Claims, and click Create. Set customer to DN spot. Set description to defect claim. Set claim description to hoverboard backlight flashes. Set status to registered. Finally, click Save. Great! We have registered a customer claim. The claim is now handled by a service maintenance employee. Set status to being processed and reason for occurrence to damaged goods. Next, set status to not fulfilled. Go to the Review Results tab and type in Not a Warranty Case, Contact with Water. Click Save. The claim is fully processed now, and we need to issue an acceptance note for the customer. Let's start with creating a product kind. Set product type to work. This product type is used for quantitative accounting and recording costs for each department. Set description to maintenance. Set sale is being registered to acceptance note. Now let's save our product kind. Next, create a product named maintenance. Set description to maintenance. Now create an acceptance note. To do this, go to Sales, Wholesale, Sales Documents All, and click Create. Acceptance note for customer. Set customer to DN spot. Set counterparty to DN spot. Set company to SBS Manufacturing. Create a new agreement and select it. Set description of the agreement to maintenance. Set up settlements. Go to the Sales Conditions tab and select Contracts are not used payment terms. Set settlement details to buy invoices. Save the agreement and go back to the acceptance note. Select the Service tab, click Add, and select Maintenance. Set quantity to 1. Set price to €15. Don't forget to specify the department in the Additional Information tab. This is important because the quantitative accounting of work is performed by department. Just set department to Service Maintenance. Click Post and close. Great, we've created the acceptance note, but we haven't recorded the work output or written off the costs yet. To do this, use workplace named Register Production Without Order. Let's assume the service company has simplified cost accounting. Now let's have a look at this workplace. Click Manufacturing, enter Shop Accounting, Register Production Without Order, and go to the Works tab. Then specify the month to record the document. As you can see, we have a reference to record production without order here. To set up the production settings, click Settings are not configured. Let's have a closer look at these settings. Product release at the calculated cost. If we only use this setting, costs are allocated after the production batch is created. Material allocation is recorded in a document named Allocation of Materials and Works. This setting is used for simple manufacturing processes. Record product release costs in the production without order document. If we use this setting, materials and labor are allocated when creating a production batch using production without orders document. This setting is used when it's necessary to manage the production costs. You can also select a bill of materials to use when filling in the document. Release products at fixed costs. This setting is used for scrap and spoilage. The cost of scrap and spoilage is generated by reducing the cost of other products. Select Product Release at the calculated cost and click Write and Close. Let's now return to our workplace and record a document based on the settings we just selected. To do this, click Register by Settings. You can see the document now. Set Group Costs to Costs Are Not Specified and click Post and Close to post the document. Well done! So today we learned how to record work, production without an order, and claims. Next time we're going to talk about determining the cost of performed work after the month-end closing. See you later!